Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate text in PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is take a screenshot of the text you'd like to rotate. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click on monthly content calendar. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag out a box like that. Then from here, click on the done. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. So in order to save it, go ahead and click on the download button here to save. I'm just going to save it in my downloads, click on done. Then from here, what I'm going to do is add that image inside of my monthly calendar. So I'm going to come into edit and click onto add image. Now I'm going to click onto that. Now I can go ahead and add that in like so. I can make it smaller or larger. Now once we've got the image in, we can go ahead and rotate it, so we can go ahead and change it like so. So that's the only way really to rotate text inside of PDFgear.